Y'all come on in and check out the 1Pickle in 2 minute challenge created by Explorewiththewagners. And we have Cece doing that challenge. Oh yeah, she was challenged by PromoSTK. Let's get and see how she did.
Hi guys, it's Cece. I'm doing the 1Pickle challenge for 2 minutes. So we hope I can eat this pickle in 2 minutes. I was challenged by PromoSTK, which was challenged by Explorewiththewagners.
The challenge was created by.
It was created by Explorewiththewagners. So we want to give a shout out to them. Go check out their page as well as PromoSTK. And let's get started.
Want me to hit it?
Yes, we finna time this thing. Let's get this pickle down.
And you can drink something, but you may not have time to drink. I didn't drink anything when I did mine. But are you ready?
Let's get it. Let's go.
Is this in here? Let's make sure that it's in there. Okay. Go.
One pickle down, yay me! I think I made it.
No, you gotta do two. You gotta do two.
So
that's small. You better keep it going.
Okay, PromoSTK says do another one. Let's go.
That's right, cause them two are small.
She cheating. She trying to make me laugh.
You still got good time. 1 minute left. Gotta have it all out your mouth. 48 seconds left on the clock. That's what's up. Woo! She did it. Woo!
Y'all have a blessed day.
All right. PromoSTK.
PromoSTK.